Hi there. I've looked through my old sketchbooks and I have one, two, three, four, four? There's more than that that are empty. Might be starting this one again. Hi there. I have looked through my old sketchbooks and I have four which I don't appear to have gone through as part of look at my sketchbooks. So we're going to do one of these maybe once a week. So let's get started. So I started this sketchbook in May 2011. This is when I was doing an Imagine FX daily sketch. This is day 103 and it's the cover of that. In fine liner, I should say I'm using a 110 gram cartridge acid free sketch pad in A5. They've got an ogre trying to draw the female form. Pretty bad. My comments are talk about chubby, mutated. Another female, big hips. Bad. Maybe marginally better. And then we have a succubus, I guess, here. Trying to work on the hands. And another female form with bodgy hands. Another female. And a witch. Also bodgy hands. And a cartoony looking cat. You might notice I've got 8 heads high. Some more sketches of one of my default lab characters. We've got what looks like to be a dwarf, some other stocky thing, and a small female again. Female again, trying to do abs here, which wound up being some dude wearing glasses with a big nose and buck teeth. And I made the female go wee with rocket power or something. Who knows? Working on the leg. So I've got front view, side view, rear view. Working on the body. So you can see this is very similar to that one. Well, you probably can't see because it's in grey lead and it's not coming out too well. Gonna be in focus. There we go. Torso. Hands. Focus, you silly thing. And more hands. Pretty much self-portraiting the hands or using that as reference. Other hand. Pencil doesn't show up too well on the video, does it? A straining person, and now that's out of focus. Come on, focus. Focus. There's that one, more or less in focus. We've got a head in pencil again. A head here, or a face, various expressions in fine liner. I don't know, some not quite hippie, not quite for those dudes hang around Fitzroy with check skirt shirts and beards. Hipster. Not quite, but anyway, that's probably what I was going for there. We've got the arm. Some sort of creature. This was trying to do still life, so we have, let's say, computer controller thing. I used that for World of Warcraft years ago. Various stuff on the computer. That's an infrared receiver for my old Polar heart monitor. Guess that's a mouse. I don't know what that is. All that is. That's a watch. That'd be glasses. A face, very much like the head X dude of Prodigy. Hack and slash. I think I based this year's Inktober dagger on one of these drawings. That would be in focus. It's annoying. Anyway, high quality video, this one. I should really get back to doing this with my SLR and not my webcam, but haven't set things up properly. Might move house again before I know it, who knows. Faces, warrior belts. I was pretty much going for that fantasy artist figure drawing Bible. Loincloths, various poses. Focus. Alien. I think that's based on a figurine I got floating around somewhere. Various heads with the grumpy one saying, "Draw me properly." I reckon that one looks like Linda Hamilton. More weapons. We've got spear tips mostly, a bolus, I think. A bone attached to a stick. A couple of tomahawks. Must have been a quick no time day for that dude. Various fur swatches with the fur looking more like a V. A cat alien thing. Don't want to focus, do you? Poses, stick figures. I think I was trying to draw a face there, but went really wacky, and then we got some smaller ones down here. Various pendants, a mage costume with some mage tools, I guess. Runes and stuff on a coat. Various stuff here. We have monoscope, arrow holders, dagger holders, some bags. And you'll see it doesn't focus when I bring it up. Didn't focus. Looks more in focus. Oh well. Okay, alien. Another female. I think that was a rogue. Various faces. A badly drawn person with an arrow and a bow. Unreferenced skeleton, I'm pretty sure that was. Biomechanical archer. I took that and made it into that. Female face off cover of one of the books I was reading at the time. Another skull without reference. Here we go, page 98 of the Fantasy Artist Figure-Drawing Bible. Based on whatever was there. Female face. Reference of some dude posing. Another reference of a lady. Or some human posing. People. Another person thing, wearing a mask. Looks like an elf, a very chunky looking elf. More alien stuff. Some dude with a wand or a pole. Very bad take on Alien 3 with my mind and not using reference. Alien. Don't know if that was based out of something from a book I was reading or not. More aliens. Might have been I was designing one. The alien or xenomorph. One of the characters out of Nightmare Before Christmas, based on a plush doll. Gnome. A piranha, at least my take on one. Some gothic lady. Somebody holding a axe. Someone with pipes. Pretty sure I drew the pipes and then the face afterwards. Working on drawing a hand. Some crazy scientist, or maybe it's a gnome. More based on photographic reference. Not showing up too well. Faces and a booty. Faces, fairy we're going for here, obviously, because there's wings and crap. More faces. Looks like a dryad this time. Some guy in a cave. Maybe it's supposed to be devil. Working on spaceship forms here. A wacky looking spider with a bow tie. More faces. More weaponry. So I guess the thing that looked like a booby was actually a shield. Oh no, that's definitely a shield. Photographic reference. More from photographic reference, photographic reference. More from reference, more from reference. That looks like a hag face. That's more like what the face is supposed to be, as well as a body. Obviously, or maybe not. This is a quick sketch of Asimov's early Asimov Volume 1 cover. That'd be from Chris Foss from the looks of it. Some goblin-y thing. Either a pirate or a goth or someone wearing a tail coat. Rainbow face with a spiked collar. More faces. A scene. I don't know why the cat paw's there, but some guy sliding down a slope, skiing down a slope, alien coming over hills, parachuter, another alien, tank, fence. Some turtle. I think I had a turtle in an aquarium. There was the tortoise. Blimp. A skull on wheels. a alien or a hag or something plugged in electronically via the skull and the PowerPoint sitting on top of a hat stand. What? Crazy dude. Ogre. More ogres. Biomechanical thing. Maybe it's a biomechanical flower. Who knows? And the last one, which is, I don't know, a twit. So yeah, that's that one. Not sure what I would put as a cover image on a YouTube video, but I guess I'll come up with it. Maybe a bodgy picture, and then people can watch it as they feel. Anyway, if you like this, subscribe, like, share, comment, blah blah blah. Until next time, you've been watching Drawing Stuff with me, Paul Yateman.